Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, a U pattern is forming. Okay, and if you look at this particular U pattern, what we have seen after making this particular swing, we have seen a downfall, and this a big swing we have seen after this particular range as break upside. We have seen it made a high of around 9.631. okay, and a sharp fall. Okay, and from there we have seen a support coming at around $5.34. okay, keep this in mind. Whatever I'm telling you, this is the strong support. Okay, weak support. This is the 5.34 is a weak support, and now after making that swing we have seen it made a high of around $9.404. okay, so if you look at this chart, this is from October 21. okay, there is so much of volatility. Otherwise you have not seen so much of volatility before that. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain or didn't sustain, I'll explain you ahead. So before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, forex, stocks, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and now one more mail ID in the description. A telegram link also I've given, you can join that too, where I updates regarding all these market changes and news. Okay, so if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that. I do that too. Okay, now see, look at the chart. If please watch the full video, then you will understand how it works. See, suppose if this particular level sustain, okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see, because a strong support coming at around $8.2. If this level sustain, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $18.333. okay, and once this level sustain upside, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $8.625. okay. Okay, once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $9.014. okay, suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go to a level of further high, because $9.04 is a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can go and touch a level of $9.486. okay, see, again I explain you, because this is a very important thing you have to understand, because $8.2 is a strong support. Now it is currently trading at that. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go high to a level of $18.333, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $8.657. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can, if it sustain above a level of $8.657, we can see it can touch a level of $9.0457. okay, and this level $9.04 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $9.468. okay, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $9.728. okay, and if that level sustain, we can see it can go further high. Hope you understand this. But now I have to understand something, that you will not see that you don't have to keep your view that it will go upside or downside. You have to check the charts. You cannot predict anything. Whatever is going on the screen, you have to see that. Suppose if the price goes upside, it will not move sharp like this, or it will not fall like this sharply, because whenever the war situation or something like pandemics has come, then only we can see this type of rally in the upside or downside. okay, but if it has to move in a normal way, it will hold for some time, that it will come upside in the same way, it will hold for some time. You have to understand, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because what we have seen, the natural gas price has already been made a high twice. okay, and now if suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, it can come down again to a level of $8.1. okay, and suppose if this level also, then probability of going further down to a level of 7.9 is very high, and if that level also then sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $7.7. okay, suppose the price didn't sustain that particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $7.5, and if that level goes downside, a probability is very high. We can see it can go further low towards a level of $7.048. okay, and if that level also goes down, we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of $6.8. okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $6.547. okay, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $6.3, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.046. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see a price can fall below that level and can touch a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can go further down. This particular level is sustained, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $8.1, and from there we can see a level of $7.9. Suppose the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $7.7. Okay, and once the price didn't sustain that level, we can see a level of $7.5. Okay, because these are some supports which is if that didn't sustain, a probability of touching further down towards a level of, so after 7.5 we can see it can move further low and it can touch a level of $6.9. After 7.5 we have seen a huge gap of the support because a probability is very high. We can see it can move further down towards a level of 6.9, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.5. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move to a level of $6.2, and from there we can see a level of $6.064. Okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $5.7. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $5.5. Okay, keep this in mind. If the price fall below that level, we can see a level of $5.5. Okay, so when the price fall below $6.5, I'll make another video because I'm continuously continuously monitoring the prices. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me that. Okay, now you have to understand something, that if you are trading, you have to be very careful because most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, suppose what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1,000 to 1,500. Risk 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, risk is $500. Okay, suppose if you lose $500, that is 5 trades, it will not affect your psychology. Okay, why it will not affect your psychology? Because this is not a big amount compared to 10,000, and the next day you can trade with in profit. That means you can focus more on profit rather than recovering this amount. What people do is they lose so much amount in the first day itself, 5,000, 4,000. They try to recover it the next day, which in turn lose their full capital. What I teach, how to overcome all these problems, how to strategize your trade, when to enter, when to exit, how to hedge your position. Okay, all these various I teach, how to trade psychologically. Okay, so if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings, and this is how we can do it. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do a thumbs up, and if you're new